Hello, I'm Jeff with Mill Renew out of Tacoma, Washington, and I'm here today at Specialty Forest. Tomorrow I'm going to be tearing down this glue laminating line, high pressure laminates, and I just want to take some pictures of the system I'm taking apart. Here's the in-feed end of the machine. The machine's about 110 feet long. I'm just videoing it from this side. They finally moved all the stuff out of the way so I can get to the machine so I can start tearing it apart. Anyway, here's the in-feed end. Then it goes through a glue spreader. Here's some roll casing. And then this section of roll casing right here where the lumber's stacked on it has canted rolls on it to pull the board over against the fence. Then what we have here is a Black Brothers glue spreader. I believe it's a 776, 775 maybe. Okay, then we have an Evans Rotork index table. Let me get back here so we can see the bunk to hold all the high pressure laminate. It looks like they have 4 bunks there to hold all the different colors. Then they stack everything down here inside the index table, and you can see the orange portion on the bottom. There's a scissor lift that keeps indexing down. So you got a full book made, and then you power everything into the hydraulic press, and then from the hydraulic press there's some roll casing that I disconnected about 4 months ago. It's sitting kind of at a 90 degrees from where it's supposed to be, just to give Specialty Forest more room to get in and out of their bay door. But anyway, that's what I have to work on tomorrow, and then I have to put it back together in McCleary, Washington. So thanks for watching.